Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys!
So tonight, we're going to talk about the fact that the steakhouse is more than just a meal. With all that free food on board, why does anyone want to go to the steakhouse and pay extra? Well, let me tell you, we used to say the same thing.
We did, until we tried it.
But tonight, we're going to be talking about Carnival Steakhouses, Princess Cruise Line Steakhouses, and Royal Caribbean Steakhouses.
Mainly, they're competing against all that free food.
And when you've got all that free food, yet all these specialty dining, let me tell you, the specialty dining is still very popular. So stay tuned at the end of this video and we will reveal a special addition to your steakhouse experience.
Maybe two special things.
First, we're going to talk about the food selections in the steakhouse.
Ooh, one thing they all three got in common, they got some big, juicy steaks up in there. I'm talking about the Fred Flintstone kind. You seen the kind where they put it on his car and it tipped over? Trust me, I tried to eat the whole steak on all three of these cruise lines in the steakhouse, and I ended up tipping over right out the chair.
And all three steakhouses have a special dessert that you cannot get in the main dining room.
What?
I know, right?
How about that?
All three cruise lines have a great atmosphere in the steakhouse.
That's what it's really all about. You're paying not just for the food, but for the atmosphere. Got that special occasion, your anniversary, your birthday, Richie Blackmore's birthday. You know, it could be anything.
Who's Richie Blackmore?
He's a guitarist for Deep Purple and Rainbow.
Oh,
They know that though, don't you?
Well, in the steakhouse, the atmosphere is far more intimate than it is in the main dining room. And we like to go there for date night or a special occasion.
The service is top notch. It's even better than the main dining room. Now, we did have one exception one time though. The Royal Caribbean steak dining, I ordered a Diet Coke and they brought me a Coke Zero. Oh, but that's the only time I had anything go awry. Everything else has been great.
And then we're going to talk about the price. Is the price of the steakhouse really worth it?
Well, that's subjective, but I would have to say yes. Now keep in mind, Royal Caribbean Steakhouse is about $20 per person more than Carnival or Princess.
Wait a minute. More?
Yes.
$20? That's 2 glasses of wine.
That's 2 glasses of wine, that's what I said. But you know what? It's worth it. And you know, they got the little nuances added into each steakhouse too. On Princess, they come over and they go, "What kind of salt do you want?" I go, "Well, what do you mean, what kind of salt do I want?" They said, "We got Himalayan salt. We got lava rock.
Salt.
Applewood salt. Yeah.
Yep.
Man, they got salt from sandals that just came off the beach. They've got different kinds of salt.
And then Carnival has their peppermill.
Peppermill.
Love the peppermill on Carnival.
Oh, yeah.
And Royal Caribbean has those little cheese platters at the table.
Yes, and they have shareable sides.
And shareable sides.
Which is great because if she don't like one of the sides, I can eat the whole thing and everybody thinks we shared.
We have never had a bad experience at any steakhouse on any cruise line. You will enjoy the steakhouse if you do decide to go to the steakhouse. If you've enjoyed this video or agree with the information that we're sharing, why don't you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button.
How about that? So we have a couple of bonuses things for you that we was talking about too, right?
Yes.
So you tell them the first one.
My bonus to you is when you go to the steakhouse, if you tell your waiter what your special occasion that you're celebrating, whether it be an anniversary or a birthday or you got your master's degree, typically they'll bring you out a special dessert.
That's been our experience anyway. It's been a special dessert for a special occasion. We do have one other thing that's a potential bonus.
What is that?
You just go up there and tell your waiter that Sea Lake Journeys sent us. And I guarantee you, that's usually absolutely no discount involved there, but it's worth trying anyway, right?
I'm sure you'll get a great table.
Yeah, you will.
And you'll have a great experience. Well, we want to thank you for watching our video tonight, and we hope that you do enjoy the steakhouse. And if you've never tried the steakhouse, why don't you think about trying it on your next cruise?
Yes.
We are positive that it will add a special element to your cruise vacation. Till next time, see you around the channel.
See ya.